Hi boys, welcome to your second maths lesson for our learning at home phase. We are going to be reviewing 12 and 24-hour time and elapsed time today. So in your drive, you will find these slides. So you will have your own editable copy. They look like this. So our instructions are, on the following slides, you will see a clock and 4 possible time options. Please type the correct 24-hour time in the box provided on the right-hand side. The first one has been done for you. So if I go to slide 3, and that's our very first one, we have our clock here. It says 7:28 a.m. So we need to choose which 24-hour time is correct out of these 4. So the answer is 07:28. Now, of course, you can type it in without the colon, just like that, but we can also include a colon as well. So the next 10, these are all converting to 24-hour time, and from slide 13, you will convert into 12-hour time. So they're the same instructions, but you're changing the times to 12-hour time rather. So here we have a clock, 22:10. Now we know from the options shown here that the answer would be 10:10 p.m. because it's at night. So that's what you need to do, and altogether in these set of slides there are 20 questions. Now once that has been completed, please go back to these slides and you'll see that there are 2 differentiated quizzes below on elapsed time. So we know that elapsed time is from one point in time to another. So for example, Monday period 1 would usually start at 8:45 and it would finish at 9:40. Therefore, it is 55 minutes of elapsed time. Those will be the type of questions you need to answer in these quizzes. So the green chili boys, your quiz looks like this. Make sure you put your name and choose which class you are in. Now the first few questions are all multiple choice. So in fact, the first 12 are multiple choice. So you need to read the question and then choose the correct amount of minutes, okay, or hours, depending on how much is given there. So you'll notice how these are typed. The last 3 questions require you to type in an answer. Okay, so you need to type it in just as you have seen previously in order to get the point. Okay, your teacher will receive the score at the end of this. So try your very best. Okay, and for the yellow and red chili boys, okay, it starts off not too tricky, but it does get harder as you go along. So again, name, class, and then read the questions and choose the correct answers. You'll notice some of them don't have AM or PM because it might not necessarily be needed for that question, but you will just read the question and it will make sense, I hope. So that's what you need to do. And of course, as you get towards the end of this one, you will also need to be typing in the times. Okay, so that's your maths lesson. If you have time at the end, you are welcome to go on to Manga High and complete any of the tasks set by your teacher. Thanks, guys.